Hey guys, Russell Roberts, Long Haul Life. I'm in a hotel in Tucson. Truck's broke down. Today is July 4th, 2018, and I'm here in this room. Been here for 2 days now. Truck broke down on Monday. Well, it didn't break down, but over the weekend, coming from Florida, the Panhandle, Panama City, going out here to LA, I kept getting a noise out of the engine. And it was getting louder and louder and louder. And Monday morning I was like, you know what, man, I better get this checked out. The last thing I need is, for the engine to go down on me with like a rod thrown or something. Then it gets really expensive. So I took it to the Volvo dealer in Tucson, checked it and had them check it out. Took a while to get it in, but it was about noon when he had it down to had the valve cover off, and it was camshaft worn on cylinder number 2 on the exhaust rocker. So it is going to be $5,540 to get it fixed, plus my downtime and the hotel. Luckily though, I am still under my load. It was supposed to deliver yesterday, but they said it'd be okay to deliver Friday. Today being a holiday, this costed me an extra day because the shop's closed, so they can't finish it up until in the morning. So then I'll get on over to LA tomorrow after getting the truck back, and then get that delivered first thing Friday morning. And then my pickup, which is going right back home to Nashville, they're still wanting me to get that Friday instead of Tuesday, yesterday. So it's going to work out, but it's a hit to the pocketbook big time. So I've been sitting here for a couple days, kind of just chilling, kind of depressed too. That's a major hit, $5,500. So plus losing time to make more money. I lost 3 days, and hopefully that's gonna fix it. When they get it back together, hopefully that was it. I don't like surprises like happened to me a couple years ago when they said they had it fixed. I get down there and it wasn't fixed. Turned out to be a whole much more. That one was almost $19,000 repair. Anyway, I'm staying at the La Quinta, I think you say it that way, in here in Tucson, out here by the airport. It's a really nice room, and I've just been hanging out here for a couple of days, trying to chill, trying to relax, and I've been getting a few things done. Got the budget done, and for the rest of the year, actually. Been doing a little troubleshooting with this Osmo that I'm using to, it's a gimbal thing that I'm using to record this. Been troubleshooting, trying different mics on here. I can't do anything except the built-in mic. Nothing else works. And then I've edited my daughter's senior pictures, got that done. I've just been chilling, watching. I watched the entire season 2 of Goliath, which is a pretty cool show with Billy Bob Thornton. Not been doing much of anything else, just chilling. So working on a few little things, and hopefully I can get some more done with Long Haul Life. Yay. Anyway, this is just a quick update. I'm going to throw this up on YouTube so that you guys can kind of get a drift of me I'm just stuck here. And this is the worst feeling. I hate being stuck here. I don't even have a car, anything to get around with. I'm not spending money on it. Just chilling here and not spending any more money. I mean, I've got food from the truck in here. Luckily, the fridge is good enough size to hold it all in there, and I've been eating off of that. So anyway, y'all take care. I'll see you around. Let you know how things are going once we get the truck out of the shop. So take care. We'll see you later. Bye.